A lot of explosives.
How long are you going to be using taxi?
Does that have a notice?
Copy at 825.
In ropes. Oh man, what a hike. Fire crew went on ahead. The explosives have been brought forward, or much of the explosive has been brought forward. There's 800 pounds of explosive. It's all gelatin with a det cord running along the side of it. It's a fire break cutting explosive. They're going to suspend a line from above and hang the explosive from the line and take out that rock. So the blast master is working on the cliff face. He is going to be controlling all aspects of the safety and the explosive placement. He's also doing the training, and he'll be calling the shot and the safety checks. There go the horses. That means that the tools that they carried in, we will carry out on our backs. But at least they brought in 800 pounds that we didn't have to carry. That helps a whole lot. Caps. Are we good where we are?
Affirm.
The other hot shots are over there just below guard 2 or guard 1.
Guard 1 copies. Guard 2 copies.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, God.
Holy shit.
Now I see why they didn't want to, why they didn't want us to be too close.
Oh, man.
Man, that was cool.
Oh,
Yeah, they gotta do it again, don't they, Fred?
I'm glad I wasn't locked.
Looks like it.
Man, look at that.
The blasting crew and the hotshot crew have gone forward to make sure that it's safe and everything exploded. And there's no fire. For the hotshot crews, came prepared for fire. The next blast, they've got a whole lot more of explosive going in on the second blast. They're going to carve out more of a shelf and remove a lot of the debris that was left over from the first blast. You can see down in the canyon, all that material was taken out. There's another hot shot up on the top, laying line. They're going to lay some line and hang some of the explosive up.
I gotcha. So, right below me, where we start on that side, just to the right of Scott, right? Yeah. Need a rock or something? To the right of Scott. As he
So this is, they've got the rest of the product in, that's where it's going to set, that's where it's going to go. You see they've tied off from above 6 lines. They're using the rest of the explosives, so we're not going to carry any out, or the horses won't be carrying any out. Whoops. There's a fire working off of Highway 5, I think it was. They're starting to recall some of their equipment. Fortunately, we've got a hotshot crew here in case we've got a problem. The spool of det cord is here. It's tied in horizontally along the packages here. So a cap is going to be tied to the det cord down here, and electronically there's a box here at the det cord spool, and the radio-controlled other box will probably be up that ridge line there, or along the trail anyway. Anyway, I'm supposed to be moving out of the area. Yep. I think we're about ready. Anyway, gonna move out.
Fire.
Oh, okay.
Okay, put the key in there and turn it on. And then we blast these.
Well, the last one was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
We like this.
Blaster in charge, blasting 3.
Carry 1.
Copy.
Carry 1 copy.
Checking the status. Here. Okay, now you can stand up. It's always more fun to watch.
Holy shit! Jeez! Listen to that rumble.
Oh, that was awesome.
Oh.
Need one more.
Jesus.
Yeah, take that, Burrow shooting range. All guards, hold positions.
Carry 1 copy.
Put out a little plume, there's a lot of energy in that.
Mm.
Yeah, I started up before it.
Yeah.
No, could you repeat, please? Yeah, I'll give you the all clear after. And to that, anybody who's coming up can come up. No, nobody's coming up. The 3 fellas are down here now. I copy.
After the second shot, the rocks are down across the trail, but we can take care of those. Cliff face, looks like we have a lot of soil that we can dig into. Hopefully there's something that the trail builders can do about that. Get everything taken out. So all of this loose stuff can come out, and they're going to put in we'll put in a trail, and then put in a retaining wall below it. Maybe in baskets or something. Joy, what fun.